Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel iTech Analytics Solutions. This is the complete Power BI DAX Basic to Advanced series. This is the 38th video of this series and I will be teaching you about the time intelligence functions in this video. So first let's understand what these time intelligence functions are. So time intelligence functions in DAX includes enable you to manipulate data using time periods including days, months, quarters and years, and then build and compare calculations over those periods. So there are many time intelligence functions. So we will see some of them here, and also we have more other functions which we'll be covering in our next video. Right, so in this video what all time intelligence functions are available. Let's see. Say we have DATEADD, dates between, dates in period, end of month, end of quarter and end of year. Alright, so first we'll see this DATEADD. So what we'll do, we'll go to our Power BI window and then we'll try to work on this, all the functions what I have mentioned on screen. Let me take a table and then we'll try to work on DATEADD. So DATEADD is actually a function which is actually used in a table where we can add the date from different tables. Let's say I'll name it as function DATEADD equals DATEADD. It lasts for the dates. Let me take the date from the orders table. So we have sales, or let's say date, order date, okay, comma, it lasts for the number of intervals. Let's say I want to add 10 and it is asking for the interval. Let's say I want to add 10 days. Close the bracket. You can see the parameter. So it is asking for the date and then the number of intervals and what kind of intervals. I have taken day and press enter. You can see I will get a column here with all the dates, whatever is there in order date. 10 days will be added here. Right, so this is DATEADD. So next is we have dates between. So it returns a table that contains a column of dates that begins with specific start date and continues until a specified date. Dates between. For example, let me go here. I'll create a new table. I want to extract the date which is there in this particular orders table. Let me just show you in orders table. First let's see the dates what we have. So you can see here in order table we have a table, say column called as order date. So we have certain dates here. I want to filter some dates and put that in one of the tables. So I'm creating a new table. Let's say I want the dates between some period here. So what I'll do, I'll take date between, okay, say dates between, it lasts for the dates. Let's say I use this order date, comma, I want the date. Let me take the date from 23, comma 1, that is from January 1st of 2023 up to today's date. I can give today, close the bracket. If I say enter, all the dates between these two dates will be filtered and will give me in a separate table like this. So there are 731 dates or say records which will get filtered. Right, next is dates in period. Suppose I don't know till where the date I need. From the specific date I want certain interval, that is the number of months I need, then I can use this dates in period. Say function dates in period. Dates in period, it lasts for the dates. I use this date, say order date. Let's take order date from orders table. Order date, comma, it lasts for the start date. Let's say I'll take the date from 2023, say from January 1st. Now it lasts for the interval, say I need 5 months, comma, and it lasts for day, month or quarter. So I want by month. So you can specify any interval. So whatever date I have, I want it from 2023 January 1st and 5 months from there, and enter. You can see I'll get a table here. In this column I will get from January 1st 2023 5 months data I'll get. So if you want any dates from one date to another date, so we can use this dates in period. So I can mention a date, number of months, days or whatever I need, and specify the interval, will get the dates. Right. Next we have this end of month, end of quarter and end of year. Suppose I want to get the end of month. For example, I'll go to this order table. Now I'll use new column. It's a column function. So here I'll be using end of month to get the end date of this particular month. So I'll just use this end of month. The column is getting created. Right. Function end of month equals end of month. It lasts for the date. Let me just mention the date, select, close bracket and enter. You can see we'll get the end date of the month here. So we have 18,270 records, so it is taking some time. Right, you can see that I'm getting the end date of this particular date what we have. Similarly, end of quarter. Suppose I want end of quarter, then I can use the function end of quarter. Function end of quarter, end of quarter. I'll use the date, order date, close bracket, enter. You can see this will give me the end of quarter of this particular dates what we have. Similarly, we have end of year, so this will give me the end date of the year. End of year. End of year. Let me take the date, so order date. Close bracket, enter. Now you can see I'll get the end of the year, that is I have a date, so the end of year of this particular date I'll be getting here. So likewise we can use this end of month, end of quarter and end of year functions. So if you want to have more details about all these functions, so you can go here, you can click on this link, you will get one web page from Microsoft wherein you will get the syntax, the exercise and also the example for the particular functions mentioned here. And still there are more intelligence functions, time intelligence functions, which we'll be learning in our next video. So keep watching our channel. So if you are actually planning for a better career in data analytics and data science, please do call us or email us on the number and the email ID given on screen. And please do visit our website www.itsinc.in. We have a lot of courses to enroll for free, and you can learn data analytics and data science free. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn, and the links have been mentioned in the description below. So please do use those links and follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn. And I hope you have liked this video, so please give a like and a thumbs up if you like this video, and also please give your suggestions and comments in the comment box, and please do share this video to many others who are actually looking for mastering DAX functions. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next video.